Hey, Papa Panda, how's it going? I'm just gonna sit here for a minute. No, no. Why? Because I don't know. Why? I'm just gonna sit here. No. I'm stuck. Great. So when I'm stuck, I'll just tell you the rules of how the rules of a sleepover. First, you have to have a friend. Second, you have to set up a sleepover. And how do you start the sleepovers? You have to have a sleeping bag, clothes for the next day, clothes for that day, and pajamas, and your toothbrush and all that stuff. Okay, so if your friend doesn't want to have a sleepover with you, you should just ditch them.
Yeah.
That'd be fun.
What if you want to do it and they don't like it?
What if you want to ditch them and they don't like it?
Yeah.
Well, they're just going to have to deal with it.
Doesn't seem very nice.
I think it's nice to me.
So, the moral of your story is that you need to just ditch your friends?
If they don't want to sleep over with you. That's just a joke. Okay, if you don't want to ditch them, you just want to say, okay, how about next week? And if they say yes, which they probably will, you have a sleepover, and yeah.
Well, it was very informative. Thank you very much. What was your name again?
Steve.